This is back with another Edel update for you guys. Edel was climbing up, being very bullish, man. But we have a pullback today, and I hope you guys don't all of a sudden, give up on Edel and be like, oh well, it's over, etc. I hope you guys use this opportunity to accumulate. If you haven't gotten to an amount you were happy with and you wanted cheaper prices, now's the time to enter into Edel. Right, now's the time, right? Remember, I started covering Edel again around 26 to 27 million market cap, FDV, right? And now it's back to $31.15 million in market cap. So not that much higher than my entry that I brought to you guys again, right? People are selling off. I have no idea why. It makes no sense. But it is what it is. This is a free market. You can't be upset at people taking profits, even if it was just, 50% profits. Some people are happy with that. I still see the long-term vision for Edel here, and I still think Edel is going to do extremely well. So yeah, right now sitting at $16 million market cap, circulating 30.9 million in FDV. Still think Edel is going to do extremely well. Like I said, more followers coming into Edel at 8,500 followers. What is awesome is that the testnet is live, and you see a lot of people have been using the testnet. A lot of people have been excitedly loving the testnet and the dashboard. So the team is delivering, right? The product is being delivered, man. But crypto is all about sentiment, man. That's really all it's about, and it takes time for people to really catch on. Even though we have great products that are being delivered, great use case, right? 670 million in tokenized stocks, 1.48 billion monthly volume, 128k holders. Adoption numbers are soaring. Edel is engineering the rails this rotation runs on. Real assets really yield infrastructure that compounds, as you can see right here. Great stats for Edel, man. Utility for Edel is very, in my opinion, very top-notch, very important. Every day we see the top players talking about the tokenization of everything, right? Edel literally is one of the first projects to innovate DeFi into stocks, into stock protocol, on-chain stocks, right? Look at this. They opened the testnet with 1,000 seats. They had to increase it to 2,000, then they increased it again to 3,000 seats. And a lot of people are enjoying the testnet, using the testnet, getting their stocks, lending and borrowing on the stocks, right? And it's just a testnet, and everything went smooth, right? Everything is working smooth. The product is there. So now after the testnet, you get the mainnet. I think now is a great time, like I said, to accumulate Edel. If you wanted a dip, if you was like, nah, where did it get to? If you were like, wow, 4.5 cent is too high, 45 mil is too high, now you have an entry at 31 mil, man. Like, Edel has a lot of FUD around it. Has a lot of FUD around it. That's why you saw that major pullback when it ran up the first time. But now you can see the team is actually delivering. Here's the testnet. 3,000 users in the testnet. The product is being delivered, right? And I have not seen any complaints. I go for the Discord, the Telegram. Everybody's enjoying the testnet. Obviously there's bugs I'm sure they could improve on, but everybody enjoys what they're doing. They're like, whoa, look at these stocks. I could actually lend and borrow. That's what the project was aiming to do, and it's delivering. So if you're getting shaken out here, I don't know what to tell you, man. If you're serious about investing, serious about changing your life financially, you're gonna be adding to this dip right here, in my opinion, right? But yeah, love what I saw from the testnet, love what I saw from the launch. Great protocol, great utility for Edel. I think you should not ignore this gem. As always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.